Welcome back to Anita's Yummy Kitchen. Today we're gonna prepare red chili chicken fry. Take a small jar, add garlic, ginger, almonds, pista, cashews, 4 cloves, 4 peppers, cinnamon, stick, 4 red chilies and make a fine paste. Lit the stove and place a pan, add oil and 250 grams of chicken, 1 spoon of turmeric, close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Make sure the chicken fries well. This recipe is really helpful if you are suffering with cold. Please try and see, you would get a very great result. Now add the red chili paste in the fried chicken and saute. Make sure the red chili paste gets into the chicken pieces well. Close the lid for about 10 minutes and fry well. Now add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of coriander powder and saute. Now fry for about 5 minutes by closing the lid. If you have observed here, we have not added onions in this recipe. Now top it with few coriander leaves and enjoy your delicious red chili chicken fry. You can have this with rice, chapati, naans or anything you like. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share.